Welcome to Data-Driven Decision-Making as an Entry-Level PM. Have you ever wondered how the most successful products are born? It's not magic, it's data. As an entry-level PM, you have the power to make decisions that shape the future of your product. In this video, we'll explore the data-driven decisions you'll encounter and how data can be your superpower, guiding you to make choices that delight users and drive business success. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the types of data-driven decisions an entry-level PM can make, describe the role managers and team members play in supporting the decision-making process. Imagine you're an entry-level PM at a fast-growing ed tech startup focused on microlearning. Your team can build one new feature this quarter, but there are 3 strong contenders: enhanced course recommendations, a revamped progress tracking system, and a community forum. Each feature has its supporters among the leadership team. As the PM, the final decision rests with you. But how do you navigate this, ensuring the best choice for the product and users, while also explaining your reasoning to stakeholders? This is where data-driven decision-making shines. It helps you make strategic choices. Data like user feedback, learning analytics, competitor analysis, and key metrics can all inform your decision. For instance, if user feedback reveals a desire for personalized learning, you might prioritize enhanced course recommendations to boost engagement and course completions. However, even with their support, it's important to recognize that as an entry-level PM, you're still building your expertise. While data empowers you to make informed decisions, making critical product decisions in isolation can be risky. You might lack the full context or experience to foresee all potential consequences. Collaboration is essential in product management. Your manager and team members can provide guidance, expertise, and support. Don't hesitate to seek their advice and leverage the specialized knowledge of cross-functional teams like data scientists, engineers, and marketers. Their expertise can help you interpret complex data sets and uncover hidden patterns that might not be immediately apparent. Most importantly, ensure clear communication of your findings to keep everyone aligned and ensure they understand the rationale behind your decisions. Transparency and collaboration are vital for fostering a data-driven culture within your team. Effective communication and collaboration are crucial for making informed, data-driven decisions. Now let's see how this looks in a real-world scenario. Returning to our microlearning startup example, let's say user research reveals 2 pain points: difficulty tracking progress and a lack of interaction with other learners. With the development team's capacity limited, you must choose one of 3 potential features to build this quarter. As the PM, you confirm with leadership that the company's priority is increasing user engagement. After assessing feasibility with your team, you prioritize building a community forum for learners. This directly addresses the desire for interaction and aligns with the company's goal of boosting engagement. After successfully identifying the best feature to prioritize for development, your manager tasks you with identifying new growth opportunities for the product. Through market research and competitor analysis, you uncover a potential new market segment. You present your findings and collaborate with your team to develop a data-backed plan to expand into this market. 2 of the remaining features could work well for this new market, but the data is inconclusive. You decide to conduct an A/B test of the landing page, teasing each feature. Option A generates more leads. You share the results and confidently implement the winning version, boosting signups and revenue. These examples showcase how collaboration and data-driven insights empower you to make informed choices, minimize risks, and achieve results. By relying on data, you build trust and credibility, demonstrating that your decisions are evidence-based. Even when outcomes aren't perfect, you'll understand your assumptions and can adjust for future decisions. Building on this foundation of trust and evidence, you're now ready to embark on your own data-driven journey. As we learned previously in My Market Research Journey, start with clear objectives, embrace a mixed methods approach, remain adaptable, and collaborate effectively. Make market research an ongoing priority to stay ahead of the curve. Data is a powerful tool that, when wielded effectively, can unlock hidden opportunities, guide your product decisions, and fuel your growth. By mastering data-driven decision-making, you'll contribute to your product's success and establish yourself as a valuable asset in product management. So embrace the power of data and watch your products thrive.